I'm here today with the ReLeaf Hands-Free Dental Suction Kit. I'm going to show you everything that's included in the standard kit so you can get started with it right away. All right, so the first thing that we have here, instructions, very important. If you get stuck, you can refer back to these and it will help you through any problem areas. Secondly, we have the hose pack. This has 2 hoses, the long hoses and 6 short hoses, and the adapters that will connect them. And next, you have the single-use disposable leaves. One of these will be used per patient. Now the standard kit comes with 100 leaves. The Pro kit comes with 200. So the only difference between the standard and the Pro, you get more leaves. And then also we are including a sample of the small mini leaves. These are ideal for patients, maybe adult patients that have smaller mouths, or your pediatric patients. So you have a variety of things to use. You have it right there when you need it. Now everything that's in this box will enable you to hook this up to your operatory and get started with your patients right away. So next, we're going to show you how easy this is to install right away in your operatory.